Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can check the character count of your codes you create in a SoloLearn mobile app. So let us begin. So guys, navigate to the code you've been working on. So I'm going with this web code or HTML code, and what you need to do guys is save your code first, of course. To do that, click into these three dots here, select save, and after that you will see save button here at the bottom. Now if you haven't done that yet, if you do it for the first time, they will ask you, for example, to give your code a name, to save it under that name in your library. Now if you'd like to check the character count, once your code has been saved, tap into these three dots again, select details from the bottom of that drop-down menu, and here you see the title, the author, the modification date, the creation date, and also the line count as well as the character count below, which is 152 for this code here guys. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.